Hey guys, I'm Dr. Anthony Pellegrino from Absolute Chiropractic. This here is Katie. Katie, go ahead and smile and wave for us. We're going to be demonstrating the state-of-the-art technique that we use in the office called torque release technique. So the very first thing that we do with Katie here is we're going to do a neurological Achilles tendon reflex to test and see if there's any tension on our spinal cord, on our nervous system. So it looks just like this. Katie, go ahead and turn your head to the left for me. Thank you. And to the right. Center. Based on we see how when her head changes, moves from side to side, looking at how that reflex in the Achilles tendon changes. And then we're going to go ahead and just test some different places just to see what might be causing a change in that contraction on side to side. And for Katie, what we see is right here in the middle of this neck, C5, we have a subluxation that's putting tension on that spinal cord and that nerve system. So we're going to use the integrator right here and adjust it. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me and let it out. So there's no twisting or cracking or popping as you see. Turn your head to the left for me, Katie. To the right. Center. Awesome. So there's no twisting, cracking, or popping. The integrator fires a 1/10,000th of a second. So we're able to get a pinpoint specific adjustment, getting true correction of the spine over time instead of just temporary relief, which is absolutely fantastic. We're going to go ahead to the base of the skull, the occiput here. Katie, take a nice deep breath in for me and let it out. And turn your head to the left for me. To the right. Center. And go ahead and test, see if there's any other places that might be putting tension. Right here at the base of the neck. Right where this neck becomes the upper back. Katie, go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me and let it out. And you're all set. So that was it. That's torque release technique. It's one of the most advanced techniques in the chiropractic profession. Allows us to get pinpoint specific adjustments, no twisting, no cracking, no popping. Not only for pain relief, but just to make sure that each and every person can function 100% of their best.